Yenoni ngulube bo. Uphuma kwaZungu manje sowondliwa ngapha ungubani.
I really feel like if you have never heard that voice coming through your television, you haven't lived in South Africa ever. Ngoba sikhule naye over 50 years, like she was sharing with us. That's how long she's been doing and executing her passion. Who are we talking about and joined by namhlanje? Umamthembi Nyandeni. How are you doing?
I'm good. You're
the first guest again in the studio. Yeah, village ya shaivosho just straight into vosho. We're like, hey bo.
Izophuma nangevosho.
How are you doing on this lovely Thursday in Women's Month? What an amazing month it has been.
Wow.
Oh, today's Friday.
Today.
Oh, are you guys sure it's Friday?
100%.
Can't get my respect. Of course it's Friday. Okay, so how are you feeling on this lovely Friday weekend?
I'm doing well. I can't complain, really. Yeah.
Ask Mr. Sigil. I think let's get straight into it because we have so much to cover again. I'm as we are talking like today. I saw Guti in your life story, like you were born in Newcastle and then you went to Msotra, Mfulo, right? And I think it's so crazy for me. Like Guti, so many people like they were born in Newcastle, go to Johannesburg, and they make these amazing brand names for themselves. When at the time, in terms of now, like discovering your passion, who in your mind inspired you to become that person then?
Abo Miriam Makeba.
Yeah.
Abo Prahuma Sigel. Those were my heroes. I wanted to be like them. I wanted to fly and go overseas and meet them. And I shot it.
That's what I'm talking about. So, but were you seeing them on the daily maybe or seeing them in some like certain spaces?
No, we were not even allowed to see them because they were already on exile.
All right.
Yeah.
So who were the legends then at the time, or people who became legends at the time? Even Babona, like Soweto, whenever you were out there. I mean, nowadays okay.
Mambazo baby dlala lapha ngasekhaya eyethu.
Right. I see.
I would go there. Yeah. I would go there and hang around with them. Ngacishe ngashada khona futhi. Ngephutha ke bengekho lapho.
I love her so much. Ulwandle Nkulu. Song called Ayami right here. Kakasi Fast Lane with Spectacular Zisto and DJ Naves. And hanging out with our guest Umamthembi Nyandeni. Mamthembi, I think Ukuthi Ulwandle Nkulu is so talented. She could have been, yabona, if time wasn't a thing, on stage with you back in the day on Ipintombi. She's that talented. She's amazing. Have you heard her stuff though?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
No, recruit. Uzosebenza nami.
Oh, mfake intweni.
Yeah, mfake intweni. Ufuna act manje.
Uma bekasitshela unegani that literally put her on to everything and even on social media. So off air she was also telling us, but most importantly she was schooling uZisto.
On what, man?
Indaba yamadoda.
Shuthi lengomo ethi eyam le ndoda uthi ayikho indoda yakho.
What do you mean?
Uthi wena usuwenza amadoda manje. Indoda eyenu, eyethu sonke.
Ma, like what do you mean now?
I'm telling you.
Oh,
yes.
Awuboni la mantombazane ebulala amadoda.
Right.
Ngoba uthi uyayiclaim. Ufuna ukufaka amazinyo.
Right.
Indoda kumele ijabulise bonke abantu besifazane. That's why namhlanje uthola indoda ishada abafazi abayi5 esikhathi esodwa. Jabulani nonke nijabule. Awukwazi ukuthi mina nawe sobabili. No. Ngeke uzuyisatisfy futhi indoda.
Khuphuka
indoda idinga ukuthi uyidedele, ijabule, izokuhlonipha nawe ihlonipha. Ukuthi kunabo mamncane abayi13 fine.
Phuma la.
As long ekuhlonipha nje kuphela.
Khuphuka mama.
Kuyagulwa these days man.
Kuyagulwa ngoba nifuna niyasaba ukuthi nibe yi5 endaweni yi1 because mani 5 nizohamba niyo check. Uyazi ukuthi udila nobani. Uzovakatshela uthi hey mamncane.
I didn't expect this today.
Yeah, uzohamba yobe ubuza umamncane lapha. Umamncane sizoya naye esibhedlela bayochecka sonke ithi check. Mari ngoba niyafuna ukuclaima lo muntu uzokufihlela adle emakhoneni azadle into engcolile
nazo bathatha izinto zasentshonalanga abaziletha la.
Naves, you are so happy.
Dude,
no,
he seems vindicated.
No, mama must preach. Maybe mayizo from abantu abadala nzolalela mina ngilaleli mina.
Okay, she's okay. I'm still shocked at that. Let's go here, Maj. Wow.
Ngeke ungitshela ukuthi nawe wedwa nomuntu wakho. Ngafuna ngiqale nangawe.
Amasimu ami.
Akekho wedwa.
Let me pause this. Okay. All right. Ma, as our guest, can I please ask you to listen to this?
Okay, I'll listen.
Thank you.
Thatha incwadi yomshado ofundi. Nginelungelo lokuba lapha ekhaya. Ikhaya lami leli. namasimu ami lawa nezinkomo zami nakho konke okunye wasa wena uqobo uthi mina ngingayithola incwadi yokubachitha bonke labafazana bakho ihlanganise naso lesigidive su-Antwa
awuzwa ke
For Muntokazi, can you tell them what character this was and what show this was?
Beauty ube umfazi wephepha because ube seshaywa isikhathi esenabo 40 gijima kubo 40 akanandoda. So ubamba noma kukuphi wabona ukuthi lapha isdidi sendoda lesiyana wasithatha sinabafazi abayi4 waba owes5 naye.
Ongena phakathi.
Yeah, mara waba in control because ingenxa yephepha.
What year was this?
70.
Wow.
9.
I wasn't even born.
When did people stop calling you Mfazwe Pepper?
Namanje.
All these many years later.
Even after Mkabayi.
Bangithumela nama clips wakhona. Iprecho. Ngithi daddy ufunani kimi?
Yes.
Athi ngiyayidayisa idisco ngithi ngeke udayisa into engasi yakho daddy. Akuyona yakhe idisco tell abafazi bakho ukuthi bayoclean idisco. Abe.
We are seeing so many WhatsApp voice notes coming in from you, so many amazing, inspiring messages. And I think one that came through that's special to all of us here is this one here.
Sure.
Sanbonani balaleli beGagasi FM and sawubona Mathembisi Nkosikazi wami madoda.
Prejo.
Ngithi sesidiscuss singabonani kodwa sikhuluma njalo kuma WhatsApp and then ngizwe incwadi yakho obuyibhalele the late uMachume hayi ngezwe amazwi amnandi ngakho ke ngifuna ukuthi kuwe ngithi ibambe mntana sekhaya iseyinde lendlela uyibambe kakhulu usungakhathali yimini umyeni wakho
uMadlandula uPrejo
uziphathe kahle njalo ngikwazi angikaze ngazwela lutho lubi ngawe yonke into engizwa ngawe noma bengiseThekwini bengizwa indaba ezimnandi ngawe uzungadinwa mntana sekhaya.
And for somebody that doesn't know that voice, please tell them who that was.
Prejo. Magic Hlatswayo.
Oh, Nkosi yami. Such talent here in this province, such talent in this country. And talking about talent, it's 5 o'clock and our news talent is knocking on our door saying, "Hi, police katsa manje." So let's pause our chat here right here. I think some of this is going to have to happen off air for socials, guys. Ngoba kumnandi la namhlanje. Kumnandi la namhlanje. Let's check in. It's 5 o'clock.